So if you have one of these GM key fobs and it's all worn out like this and needs to be refurbished, you can get a cheap one of these off of Amazon. And really all you have to do is just crack this open, pull out the circuit board, put it into this one, and then put it together. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. It's really not too bad. The link for this is in the description. If you do end up buying one of these, make sure you buy the correct one for your vehicle. Some of them will have like the remote start on it or the back hatch button on it. Open this up. And here we can see that this one looks to be in much better condition. The battery goes right here. So I'm gonna try and crack this open. Haven't messed with one of these, but it shouldn't be too bad. Got to get them open somehow in order to change the batteries. Just like that, I guess. So here's the new cover. You can see on the circuit board here, you have the two buttons and then the bottom panic button. This is just going to go in just like this. It can only go in one way. So then with this one, we're just going to pull the battery out. All right, so I just pried the battery out. Here's the new one. So I just pop that back in. These cases are kind of annoying if you have to change the battery on them, but this is all you do. You do need some force to pop these back on, but that's it.